Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a really cute Louis Vuitton set. The set is inspired by a Pastel Louis Vuitton bag. I'll show you a picture on the screen now of what the set's inspired by. So I'm going to be using all Madam Glam products today. I have got a 30% off Madam Glam discount code, guys, which is GG30. It's always in my description box, and I'll pin it in the comments as well, along with a link to the website. Now, I didn't have the right shade of pink, so this is why I'm using a detailer brush to apply the gel. So the colour that I'm using is the light pink Madam Glam gel paint, and I've mixed some white gel paint into it just to make it that little bit lighter. It was the right shade, but it was just a little bit too dark. So now I'm going to be using Lightborn, which is this really nice yellow. These colours are really nice. They are pastel, but they're bright pastel shades. So I'm just going to do a strip of that for now. This does not have to be neat at all, because we are going to be mixing these colours together. So I'm going to add a little bit of Lightborn to the bottom there. And then I'm going to be using, I can't remember what it's called, one second. Crystal Ball, which is this really nice turquoisey colour. I'm just going to add a little bit of that to the top. I'm not going to put up any of that on the bottom. Now, I wish I hadn't have let these colours touch, because it made things so much difficult. Because the colours started blending together. This is a really nice colour. It's like a Glam Mystique. Yeah, because the colours was touching each other, they started blending into each other, which is not what I wanted. Because this isn't an ombre, it's more of a, it's a little bit like tie-dye, but the lines doesn't go all the way through all of the colours. Once I've applied this Mystique, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. But can you see where that turquoise colour's blended into that purple? That is not what I wanted. And it was making things so difficult. And there is 3 nails with this colour background, so I'm only going to show you me doing the one nail, guys, because the other 2 are going to be the exact same. Look, can you see it just, it kept blending into each other. It was really annoying me, so I shouldn't have let them colours touch until I was ready to mix the colours together. Right, so like I was saying, it's kind of like a tie-dye, but with tie-dye you would go from the top of the nail down to the bottom, and from the bottom of the nail up to the top. This, it's like little flicks between the 2 colours. So little flicks between the yellow and the turquoise, little flicks between the pink and the yellow, and little flicks between the purple and turquoise. Now this doesn't want to be neat, it wants to be quite rough looking, quite jaggedy looking. But I think they turned out alright, to be honest. So yeah, there's going to be another 2 nails with this exact same background. So I'll do those 2 off camera, just to save a little bit of time, because I was faffing with this a lot. And it was mainly just because those colours kept merging together. And you'll see I've got that lint-free white between my fingers, just so I can wipe my brush off. Whenever I've got a little bit too much colour on my brush, I just wipe it off. I'm going to let you get on and watch this last little bit, and then I shall pop back in when we're on to the next step. So once I'm happy with that, I shall pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And now I'm using that same pink colour what I've mixed, the pink gel paint and white gel paint mixed together. And I'm just going to apply a full cover of that on this ring fingernail. I should have used my application brush to apply this colour, but yeah, I already had the detailer brush in my hand, so I just thought I'd use it. Now, this is what I mean when I say I try to cut corners and it ends up taking me twice as long. Things like that. Think to myself, right, I haven't got to clean my brush. If I get my application brush out, I've only got 1 brush to clean. When actually it's going to be quicker for me to clean 2 brushes than what it is to apply this whole colour with a detailer brush. And I'm going to give that a cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm using Madam Glam's Perfect White, which is their amazing white gel polish. It is the brightest white I have ever used. I'm starting off by doing a couple of little dots, and these I'm going to turn into clouds. So all I do is I kind of dry my brush off, and then I just like do little circles, just wiping my brush around in little circles, and then I start feathering it off towards the end. Can you see? I just keep wiping my brush around in little circles, and it just gives it that kind of fluffy look. Now these were looking a little bit too bright and a little bit too opaque for clouds, but once I did go over them with the matte top coat, it dulled them out and they was perfect. Once I'm happy with them clouds, I'll cure them for 30 seconds. So I've pulled out these white Louis Vuitton stickers, and I'm just going to dot a couple of these on all of the nails apart from the pink nail. These stickers are really good quality stickers as well. I never get any lifting with them. Some stickers you find when you come to top coat, they start lifting at the corners, but these I've never had a problem with them. So that's the stickers all applied. Now we're going to finish all these off now with the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. My favourite matte top coat ever. So I'm going to apply that to all 4 nails, and then we'll come back and take a look at them all finished. So that is what they look like all finished. I really like them. I've just stuck that charm on into the matte top coat for now, just because I've done it on tips. If I was doing that on my nails, then I'd use a gem glue or probably a bit of acrylic or something. But yeah, just for the purpose of the video, I've stuck that into the matte top coat. What do you think? Do you like them? Let's have a look at the bag again on the screen, see how well they match. I think they resemble the bag quite well. So everything that I've used today, guys, I shall leave listed in my description box below, like I normally do. I have got a 30% off discount code for Madam Glam, which is GG30. So if you do want to place an order, don't forget to pop that in at checkout. I shall leave that pinned in my comments along with the link to the Madam Glam website. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.